My name is Reinhard Brüssler. I work as a technical project lead for electronic E4D probes, developing electronics and acoustic technology. The big difference on electronic 4D probe is the electronics in the handle. So we can see here the new generation EM6C G2 probe that has a first stage beamformer in the handle. You get none of that in a conventional probe. This transducer in the electronic probe has around 8,000 elements. A conventional probe has more like 200. So this generates much more. So this on the cable. And so we need to do a first stage receive beamforming to compress the data and then to transmit it to the console beamformer. One obvious novelty on the Gen 2 probe is the front face, interfacing with the patient. It's a completely new developed, we call it SmartLens coupling phase that is both acoustically good and provides excellent ergonomics. This reduces application pressure, so it's both patient and customer comfort. As you know from consumer electronics, more performance typically means more heat. Same is the case here. So there's a heat exchange in the center here of this assembly. There's a cooling liquid circulating through the cable, picking up the heat and transferring it to the connector and venting it off to ambient air. An E4D probe generates an enormous data stream. So this sensor has around 8,000 elements, and the data stream out of it is around 300,000 megabytes a second. When you compare that to a standard LAN network that you would have at home, that's more like 12 megabytes a second.